How to fix SD card not showing in mobile. So if you want to fix your SD card not showing in mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to restart your device to refresh your system and check whether that will help you or not. If it still does not work, then make sure that your SD card is properly inserted. Try to use your SD card on a different mobile device. Check whether the problem is with the SD card or the device itself. If that does not work, then go to your storage settings. So open up your settings, and under settings you need to go with your storage. Go with about phone and then tap on storage. If the SD card is recognized but not mounted, check that as well. If so, you have to tap the enable or mount option under the settings. If that still doesn't work for you, then you could clear the application cache or data for the storage application. For that, you need to open up your settings and then scroll down and tap on apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps, and under manage apps you need to go with the three dots which will be in the top right, and then go with show all apps. Now under the system apps you need to find media storage and storage options. Search for storage. After that, go with your storage manager, go with clear data which will be in the bottom, or just clear the cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Sometimes the system bugs can cause recognition issues, so make sure that your software is also up to date. So that's how you can fix your SD card not showing in your mobile, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.